It's finally Ramadan and it's my first Ramadan here in Spain. I've been here for almost 4 months now and I've been learning how to cook. I've been learning how to cook rice, chicken, noodles, veggies, a lot of healthy things, but I still have not learned how to make any Arabi food. Like I'm missing things like ملوخية, shish barak, kufta, like those sort of stuff. And especially during Ramadan, I'm missing my mom's cooking, you know? So I'm gonna go to Mercadona. I'm gonna try to find some ingredients that are gonna help me make some Arabi food today. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm thinking I saw like certain pastas that have the beef inside that will help me make some shish barak. So I'm gonna try to make that today and then you guys can come with me. With this. So this is what I have so far. I found these dates, but man, they are just so expensive here. I found another option. It was like €5 almost, 9 pieces of dates. I just got home from Mercadona and I got a bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead and I'll show you. So first of all, I got this beef. This is for €6.50 and it comes with 6 pieces, so pretty affordable. Some tissues, French fries. These are the dates I told you guys about. These were still not really cheap, but it was about €4.50. I really want to make sambusa, and I'm gonna try doing it with this. This is what ChatGPT recommended. So some cereal. These are my favorite breads. So I told you guys I want to make shish barak. This is the pasta. Instead of having to actually make the dough myself and put the beef inside and roll it and all that, it comes with the pasta already with the beef inside. Got yogurt and then fruit yogurt for suhoor. Milk. Milk here is really cheap. I got some cinnamon. Then got 2 bananas. Oatmeal. This one's really good. It has chocolate chip inside. I got a concealer because I ran out, and they have the best cosmetics in Mercadona. So this was all €41.66. But the most expensive thing on here was the burger, which was €6.20. But the second most expensive thing was just a concealer. It was €4.75. So you really get your money's worth, unlike Canada where this would probably cost like 150 Canadian dollars. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make shish barak today. I hope it goes well. It's gonna be my first time. I think I got all the ingredients, but I'll let you know how it turns out. I'm actually so excited today because I'm gonna go pray Tarawih at the masjid, and I'm also going with my classmates actually. So my classmates are mostly Muslim and we're gonna all go pray together, and I've been wanting to go to the mosque here, not very close to my house, so finally I have someone to go with. And yeah, I'm excited because it's gonna be in Al Bayasin area. I'm gonna go meet the girls now and then we're gonna head to Al Bayasin together. So here's my fit. Obviously I'm gonna be wearing a hijab as well, but just very modest. Wore my abaya. Actually love wearing my abaya. So I'm excited, and thankfully the weather is not cold anymore, so I can actually wear something like this and not get cold.
Assalamu alaikum, sisters!
Hola. Pero no somos moscas.
Alright, so the way to get to this mosque is not easy, but we're heading there. At least we got each other. If anyone tries to do anything.
It is the easiest way to go to El Baiti.
Me gusta la cofia, Asiam. Me gusta la cofia.
Eso es la
Sí.
Ah, sí, me gusta también.
¿Dónde compras?
Es de mi suegra.
طال الشوق بنا والآن قد آن الأوان أن تسعدنا يا رمضان. ها قد زينا المكان بالنور والألوان ومصلانا يا بشرانا بالهلال بالنور والجمال. أقبل يا شهر الغفران بالبركات والإيمان والحب والسلام. جئت